Henegasngi ka arpunyaw tarik na kaliang ka start sports kalapulong niya ka jingalang balingkot banket bok kadriang yi Samla ki banit mi kamat ka jala ha kalumpong yele akai kelo India kelo kabanlong ha Panchakula Haryana naduk ka saw tarik haduk ka khatlai tarik ujeliu mentau snap Hakani gasngi laidon lang kinong mi kamat na katanat sports rangkat umintri katanat sports subak bante dor lingdo Habakren na kajingalang ban ay minsim bat kitbok kadriang yi Samla ba mi kamat ya kajala shakil lumpong yele akai beper ki bakentup ya ka football athletics judo swimming bat boxing ulakan tuling ba kilat pathai khubor ban pen priang ya ka khubor shaki pat ba bagi school bat ki college ki bade ban Jingpyntreikam ya ka sports policy khanang bakan plilat ya ki khana bat Samla jong ka jala ki Donsap hakajingale akai sports
incentive of our youth of our participant in every discipline. So I request through my media friend to send this message all along the state, all the school and colleges to start implement of our sports policy. If they need any information, they need anything, we can provide them through Sports Department, Directorate of Sports, which I know this is very important. We don't want to see our youth. They will go outside and bring back and come back with medal and we'll give them 2,500, 5,000. That is nothing. We need to motivate them. We need to help them. And most of the sports person we know, they are coming from the poor family background. It's not easy. Yesterday, day before yesterday, the Mothai youth, they came and I have sent them to Dubai for participation of the big event. And yesterday, Meghalaya arm wrestling, they came and I've sent them to Hyderabad. And we all prayed to them also to win. And at the same time also, at this juncture, I would like to wish you all the best. Play well. Don't be afraid. Losing and winning is a part of the game. But when you do well, once you are fighting, that nobody can tell you anything.